You guys try and relight it or anything?
Yeah, I think they should try it. But I guess you couldn't get it.
Okay. You know, it was dark and it was raining, and I'm like, let's just do it tomorrow. Okay, so we got a service call. Said they couldn't get it lit. So we'll see what we can do here. Okay. Alright, so pilot light came on. And status light is blinking, pilot light came on, but the valve is not turning over. Okay, so measuring the thermopile voltage. Hopefully you can see that. I think I'm going to start by trying to replace the circuit board and then jump to the valve. Okay, what do we got? 677. Oh, that's pretty good. 677 millivolts. So we're going to replace the cover. It's easy to get burned. I want to try this again. So I put a different circuit board on. It's flashing. And I think it's the valve. I think it's the valve. some idiot installed this water heater sideways. It's going to be a straight up nightmare. So much easier with light and your glasses on. I didn't even try it without it. There was just no way I was even gonna come. But we got it. We got the pilot tube. That's the hardest one. If you can, if you're trying to do it, you can clean it up on a like a bench grinder with a wire wheel. Oh my God, it goes in like butter. I mean, it's like a hot knife through butter. Just push. It goes right in. But when they're all corroded and haven't been touched in 6 years. This is the original circuit board I'm putting back on here. We changed the valve. It just would not kick over on the different circuit boards, so that's kind of leads me to believe it's the valve. It could still be that this circuit board sucks. That's for sure. But the thermopile seems to be pretty healthy. There's no spark issues. There's no block pilot tubes. There's nothing going on in the burner assembly. It's all upstairs with the valve. So, do we still feel good about this starting? I know it should start. I've been out to this water heater before. This one had a code 5 back in the day. But it's turned. You see it's turned. I can't even try and look at the pilot light. I've put a mirror back in there. That's just useless. The gas is back on. Everything's tightened down. Like when I get spark going. I'm not really hearing the pilot light fire. I think I hear it. Maybe I hear it. That's incredible. This thing's back in the it's back in the shadows, but it's still catching a glare. Piece of shit. It's like solid glare on the glass. One thing with something else. You know what I mean? There we go. So I put this other clicker on here. It's got a bad igniter. Anyway, let's put that right back there. Okay. We got click, we got status light. We'll let the thermopop run up a little more. We'll do the jinx of death and put my tools away. Every time I put my tools away, I gotta break them back out. So why don't we put them away? We'll screw ourselves here. I did a bunch of service calls the other day. I was gonna film them all, but they were like turning on water heaters, basically 3 of them. One was already lit. All I had to do was turn the knob up. The other one, all I did was light it. And then the last one, all I did was light it. So there was basically nothing to film. And then I did one this morning. Okay, we're gonna try this out. Come on, baby. There we go. Let Daddy go home. Daddy wants to go home. I did one this morning. It was a GE. Had the TRD had popped inside there, and I couldn't get the new one in because the pin was lodged in sideways at the bottom. So you got to pull the whole water heater out, take the bottom off, get in, correct the spring and the little trapdoor assembly down there. It's a real pain in the ass. I did not videotape that one. Plus it had a bad spark wire. So. Alright, we're good. We're getting out of here. I have people clamoring for water heaters. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. So basically we replaced the valve. The valve is behind this cover. The valve looks like this right here. This is the valve body. We ended up replacing this. We tested the thermopile voltage, it was fine. We replaced the circuit board in case that's what it was, that was fine. So there's nothing left but the valve. So replace the valve, put the circuit board back on, reconnected it down here, and she's running like a top now. So till the next time. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks.